everyone. So today I'm going to be talking about logo types. So first we have a wordmark logo. Wordmark logos are font based and only include the company name and not including symbols or mascots, etc. Like example here, there's Coca-Cola, and then the next one there's Disney. I mean, a lot of other wordmark logos that we see every day also. So next we have symbol / icon logo. So they're picture based and represent the name of a company. Normally they don't have letters added on them. So an example would be the Firefox logo or the Google Photos, and many of the apps we use are just symbol and icon logos, like on your phone and on your computer and everything else. Next is a lettermark / monogram. These types of logos use initials for this name of the company that they represent. It consists of a few letters that make the company name, making it like simple. So they're just simple like initials or something like that, like for the company name. Next is combination mark logo. It's a logo consisting of a picture and text that are together. These types of logos can be created in various styles, such as side to side, stacked together, etc. They can be like in any form. Next is emblem / crest logo. It's a logo that is related to a product or a brand and can include an image or words, and it often normally represents royalty to the company name and stuff. And lastly, there's monoline logo. It's a single continuous line type of logo, and it can twist its way into many different shapes, forms. Here's a bunch of examples right here of the monoline logos, and they just create various images, and it can even create multiple objects at once, like an example here, by just using one line, which is pretty cool. I think monoline logos are cool. And that's all I have for today. Thank you all for watching.